Hello everyone and welcome to today's creativity journey. For the next time 10, we are going to explore the wonderful world of tree making tea crafts from small ornaments to big creative decorations. We will discover how simple materials can turn into magical holiday art. And along the way, I will share how you can turn your crafts into a simple seasonal business, making this holiday both joyful and meaningful and profitable and rewarding. Xmas is a season of lights, love, and creativity. The tree is the centerpiece of celebration in many homes. While some buy artificial trees, making your own tree craft is not only fun but also meaningful. You can use paper, cardboard, felt fabric, or recycled material to like jute or means jute also is eco-friendly. Jute is eco-friendly to design your own mini trees. These little creation can be placed on tables, shelves, or even given as thoughtful gifts. Paper cone trees. Take a sheet of green paper, roll it into a cone shape, and decorate with sequin, glitter, or cotton. For snow, these are quick, easy, and perfect for school project. Cut cardboard into triangle, glue them together, and paint green. Add buttons, ribbon, or stickers to create a handmade Xmas tree. Felt tree. Using soft felt fabric, cut tree shapes and stitch them together, stuffing them with cotton. These soft trees can be used as ornaments or small gifts. Recycle bottle trees. Take a plastic bottle, wrap it with a green paper or yarn, and decorate with tiny ornaments. This is eco-friendly and looks beautiful as table decor. Twig and stick trees. Collect small twigs from outside, arrange them in descending length, and tie them on a string to make a hanging wall tree. Simple, rustic, and very trendy. Type of craft around the tree. The tree doesn't stand alone, you can create mini ornaments like stars, bells, snowflakes, or candy cans. Tree toppers using golden cardboard or glitter paper. Tree skirts using fabric, lace, or even jute for a rustic look. Gift boxes made from recycled paper placed under the tree from the display. Each of these adds magic to your holiday decor. Crafting is fun because it brings families together. Children love painting stars, parents enjoy decorating, and friends can even join in a craft party. Imagine an evening with music, laughter, and everyone making ornaments. It's not just craft, it's a memory you are creating with your friends and family. I hope you like my advice. Crafting also builds patience, imagination, and teamwork. It's a great way to reduce screen time and enjoy real creativity. This season, now let's talk about turning your Xmas craft into a small holiday business. This season, people are looking for unique handmade items. Here, you can make advantage. Start small, make set of mini trees, ornaments, or greeting cards. Sell online, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp group to share your craft. Bundle products offer a Xmas crafts pack, one mini tree, two ornaments, and a star. Even a small effort can grow into a seasonal income, and who knows, it might even become a year-round craft business. So, whether